Hey everybody, hope you're doing well out there. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video to show you how to use the stopwatch feature on your Fitbit Inspire 2 activity tracker. And this is a very basic video. As with most of the functions on this activity tracker, they're pretty basic. There's not a whole lot of details to it. All we're going to do is we're going to go into our activity tracker just like we always would. You can do that in multiple ways. You can press the two side buttons at the same time. If you've got touchscreen on, you can just press and hold the touchscreen, or you can just tilt the watch towards you, assuming you've got that on. Once you've got the watch on, all we're going to do is we're going to swipe down a few times until we get to timers. If we click that, we'll notice that we've got two different options in here. We've got stopwatch and we've got countdown timer. In this video, all we're interested in is stopwatch. We're going to press stopwatch. It's going to bring up our stopwatch screen. If we press it again, we've started our stopwatch. If we want to stop our stopwatch, press it again. We've stopped it. If we want to resume it, we press it again. You can have the stopwatch and the countdown timer going at the same time in the event that you wanted to do that. Once you're done with it though, you can stop. If you swipe down, you can reset the stopwatch and it'll take you back to 0. And again, you can start it, or as always, you can press the two side buttons to go back, press them again to go back, press them a third time to get back to the home screen. Anyway, very basic functionality. I hope that helps as far as showing you how to get to your stopwatch, how to turn it on, turn it off, and reset it. If you've got questions, post them in the video. Be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.